Have you ever wanted to speak English or any language like a native speaker? With AI-powered pronunciation feedback, our platform helps you practice speaking with confidence in multiple languages. Hi, I'm Unicorn NS. I'll show you how to use our applications. Our platform supports multiple languages, allowing you to practice not only English but also a wide range of other languages. In the Quick Drill tab, you can easily start practicing with a short text. You can enter your own text here or tap Sample to get a short practice text. A sample text will appear instantly. Click Listen to hear the sample text.
I love trying new foods from different cultures.
Click Record icon, then read the text carefully. Recording. Once you finish recording, click the Stop button. Click Playback to listen to your recording.
I love trying new food from different cultures.
Click Analyze, and your assessment results will be displayed instantly, including accuracy, completeness, and fluency. Scroll down to view your word-by-word pronunciation scores. Here, you can review your pronunciation score for each word and practice the ones that need improvement. In the Generate Speech tab, you can generate any story with AI. Adjust the speaking speed according to your learning level. Here is a list of natural-sounding AI voices. Choose your favorite voice. Tap AI Surprise and let AI create a random story for you. Your random story is generated instantly. Or, you can tap any topic on the screen to generate a story about that topic. The story about your chosen topic is generated instantly. You can customize your favorite topics in the Profile section. Now you can see your favorite topics have been updated accordingly. You can also use your own custom topic by enabling the Use Custom Topic toggle. Then, enter your favorite topic here. The story about the topic you entered has been generated instantly. Tap Listen first to hear the story before you start practicing.
Love is a powerful force that transcends cultural barriers and connects us as human beings.
Let's start the speech assessment. On this screen, you can tap a word to hear its pronunciation, double tap a word to translate it into your native language.
Love. Love.
You can choose the language you want to translate into in the Profile section. Here is a list of available languages. Click the microphone icon to start practicing. I'm now reading the text aloud for assessment. Scroll down to view your word-by-word pronunciation scores. Here, you can review your pronunciation score for each word and practice the ones that need improvement.
Love.
Recording. In the Needs Work section, you can view the words that need improvement and enable drilling mode to practice them until you achieve a perfect score of 100.
Powerful.
Recording. You can save your results and continue practicing later. Recording. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and practice daily to speak English like a native speaker.